Move on, go video here for Nate. Get it started. Just give you a little bit of that to start. Hope everyone was watching. Get started. 724, 724. A Swirly Thunderbird. 25 tickets. Here's the names. PayPal info. Alright, 25 tickets. Random's already open. Give it a couple refreshes. There's one. Two. Connection info. Let's see who the winner is. Number 18. Number 18 is the winner. Winner picked. 725. 725. See who the winner is. Number 18 is Matt Epperly. I believe it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Matt. There's a winner for you. Ending comment in the video. 725. Just changed to 726. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.